In this video guide, I will give you instructions that will help you to get rid of the scary alerts that are associated with the site Mywebsecurityguard.site. Mywebsecurityguard.site is a deceptive page that is a fake security alert. Actually, it is not related to any decent security software. Instead, such pop-ups may be the result of some adware currently enabled in the system. So if you see these pop-ups by Mywebsecurityguard.site, don't ever interact with them, and don't download or install anything that these pop-ups ever suggest. We recommend you to leave this page. We also recommend that you thoroughly research your computer with the help of reliable security software, because the system could be additionally burdened by some hidden malware or adware. Combo Cleaner Antivirus is what we recommend. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the application, install the program, and begin researching the system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.